This is a quick video on mounting the Holosun X2 series, the 507K, onto a M&P Shield Plus. And to do this, you need a plate, as the mount will, or I should say, the sight will not mount directly to the to this pistol without the plate. This is the one I went with. Got on Amazon, approximately 25 bucks. First step, make sure to check the pistol. It should be unloaded. Stick your finger in there. Obviously, I have a mag here. I'm going to remove this from the area. There's no ammunition anywhere near where you're doing your modifications. Okay, first off, we will go ahead and unbox the Holosun HS507K. Got your registration card here. This is inside the box. I already pulled it out and filled that out. Holosun box. Pretty nice little box here. Foam padding, directions. I've already perused them. My receipt, you can ignore that. I got this from Academy, just so you know, for about $2.95. There's a sale price on that. Comes with a little cloth for wiping down the lens. This did not come with this sight. It is a laser for the barrel that I may or may not use. Wanted to get one and see how they work. Came with 2 sets of screws here. So we can get the camera to focus. Looks like they have a thread lock already adhered to the screws. We have our battery that goes over with that. Ignore that. Little tool. That side is for the battery bay on the red dot, and little hex key. And then the actual sight itself. I'm not getting my fingers all over the screen here. There we go. So you got your brightness settings there, front display, battery door, assuming that's probably horizontal adjustment, and vertical adjustment there. Mounting plate looks like so. Mounting holes. Unboxing the DPP titanium plate. We've got, came with 4 screws with thread lock on it. The plate itself, it's very, very light. Metal, of course. I believe it's aluminum, if I recall correctly. And the installation manual here, we'll take a quick look at that. Obviously, first thing, make sure your firearm is unloaded. We already went over that. Remove the plate, place the plate on, make sure it's flat. Make sure you mount the screws at 15 foot-pounds, or inch foot-pounds, I should say. Inch foot-pounds, inch pounds. That's what I'm trying to say. Use extra blue Loctite on the screws. So first thing you're going to want to do is remove this plate. 2 screws there on the top. Quick note during the installation here, the included Allen wrench does not fit the hex bolts on the top of the firearm, so I found a this says right here, seems to work fine. Okay, I just got the plastic mounting plate off, and this is what the looks like on the cutout. Did want to note that I was pulling off this plastic cover plate here. It was on there very tight, so I had to put a little bit of force to get it off. Okay, I just mounted the DPP plate on here. It sits flush. According to the instructions, it says to mount this first, and then go ahead and mount your sight. And then use the screws to screw them all together. Okay, I just mounted the red dot onto the pistol. Try not to flag myself here. Very securely on there. The gap is mostly gone. I mean, just a little bit of gap there on there, but it does feel like it's on there very secure. I did use the included Torx wrench from DPP Titanium to screw these screws down. There's 4 of them that was included. I only had to use 2 of them. So there's only two places to screw on there. Obviously, you want to use a Torx wrench to a torque wrench at 15 inch-pounds. So this is what the red dot sight looks like when you first turn it on. It looks like it defaults with the dot and circle. I believe that's a 32 MOA, if I recall correctly, including the outside circle. Yes, 32. And the dot is just a 2 MOA dot. So let me cycle through the dot so you can see what that looks like and just a circle. Okay, here is just the 2 MOA dot. That's about the medium or so setting. Turn all the way down here. It's off. Lowest setting, it's very dim. Go all the way up to the highest setting. It's very bright. Alrighty, and that's what it looks like with the with just a circle. And that's the finished product. Looks pretty nice. I like the aesthetics of it. Putting just my camera over here, not flagging myself. And there we go.